friends, welcome to yet another parting series of With Man Shows is Vidya with Money. In the last series we had visited Deltin Royal and we really had a great casino experience. So today we will be visiting the second casino of Deltin, that is Deltin Jack. So we are really excited to have more experience of Deltin Jack. So friends, stay tuned to know our experience in the casino of Deltin Jack. Already registered for the Deltin Jack Casino. We are just standing in the queue and just to get in and to just have some good time. So friends, talking more about this casino, Deltin Jack Casino is one of India's largest casino, and it is it is not any sailing casino, it is boats. Let's go in and see. Come on. So you can see that cards and poker is being played here. 14th, 12 a.m. Yeah, Valentine's Day. So friends, wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day. So yeah, Valentine's Day is especially denoted for love, as we all know. So love, yeah, love. Talking about love, love is everywhere. We all need love, and we all will be searching for a real love. And yeah, so some would have been received, and the others, don't worry, you will be receiving it soon. So happy, wishing you all a very great happy Valentine's Day. So just enjoy the time over here. The Valentine's Day in this cruise, it's really something special. So as you saw, we really had a good time, good event, good fun in Delton Jack Casino. If you want to have Delton Jack Casino entry, it will be great if you reserve prior, or you can just go to there and look at the tickets, and accordingly you can book. Starts from 1500 as of now, so it will vary accordingly. So if you take like other level, like we have the first level, second level, VIP level and everything. So if you are taking higher level, then you will be having more like you can get more drinks, you can have good games and everything. Also, like we'll give in the description one of the link in which they will have the tutorials for having the game. So if you just go at first and have the game, then you will be not understanding anything. So you can go through that tutorials, and you can go and then have so much of fun by playing the games. We could cover the restaurant area, the events which is happening that area, and the sky bar, which was really nice. The view from there was really nice. We could see all the cruises and the river, which was really nice. So just loved the time over there. So yeah, I think like casino is mainly known for its gaming, and for like you can have some good food as well as drinks and everything. So yeah, if you're interested in all those, then casino would be a great place for you. So yeah, so with this we are concluding our today's series. We'll catch you in our next series, in which we'll come with something something different, or some good place to explore. So we'll share our experience with you all. So till that, take care of yourself, have a good health, but don't forget to enjoy your life. This is Vidya signing off with Money. Bye.